Ahoy! As I'm sure many of you know, Twitchcon was this past weekend and I went. So here is the first part of the adventure. This video has day 0 and then day 1. And the video that comes out later will be day 2 and day 3. But without further ado, here is Bucky Takes on VidCon. Okay, I just got into my room. It's a little small, but it's so cute. First off, I am in love with this whole little vanity. That's so cute. But like, it's just so charming. Alright, let me see if I can do this. I am gonna run downstairs and go check out the park, take a little bit of footage, and then probably hit up, I saw like the general store, so I'm gonna go hit up that because I need something sustainable for dinner and breakfast tomorrow morning. But yeah, TwitchCon day 1 is tomorrow, and I will check in then. This is the view from the hotel. I'm gonna go down there to go get some food. Vela, my ship, Vela. When I'm dressed in Bucky and leaving in the morning, I'm gonna come take a picture next to this if there's nobody here. So I cosplayed all 3 days of VidCon. The first day I was in character Bucky. This is what I looked like. I'll do it to this side. Alright, it's officially TwitchCon day 1.
Let's go!
Woo! It's like hella early, but we're gonna go get our badges.
It's almost 8.
It's almost 8? Okay, so badge pickup's gonna open right now. Rombu line. Rombu line. We've arrived. We're starting. There's so many people. He's right there. The man. Okay, so update. Got done meeting Rombu. I'll insert the footage here.
Sorry, I'm trying to do a good video. I'm sorry? Yeah. Okay. One, two, three.
Shaking, crying. I literally got out of the line and I was waiting for the people. I called my girlfriend. I was like, I just met Rombu. I also met Olive Sleepy. Now we're walking around looking at all the art. Probably gonna get some food and then get in line for the Dream SMP panel. I turned around, I was looking at the posters, I turned back, sneak snag. Okay, so I turned around for 3 seconds to look at a poster because we were in Artist Alley. I turned back around and Inky and Blue are just talking to Sneak, getting interviewed by Sneak. I turned back around, I was like, I'm sorry? What is happening here?
We did it.
I gave Sneak a coin. I saw Boomer and Olive. So right now we're gonna get some food and then, alright, we've got our first contestants. Who wants to go first?
I will.
Okay,
you go first.
Choose a day.
Dare. I'm gonna regret this so bad. I'm gonna immediately regret this in a second.
I need you to get a high five, but not from anybody in this group.
The social anxiety in me just like settled in and I was like, okay, I gotta talk to people now.
You need a high five, you don't even need
Let's go.
Hold on, can you hold that to me?
When he looked at me, he was like what? Okay.
I'm gonna yank out a handful and you can choose your flavor.
And they're all great.
And there's a blue one. Alright, who's next?
I'll go.
Choose a day.
I'll do dare.
Let's see. I need you to get finger guns back from somebody. Not this group.
Finger what? Finger guns. Okay, I can do that. This is awkward. Okay. You can do it. You can do it. Let's see. I was like, you gotta like, you have to like tell them, like, can I get this back? Copy what I do. Let's see. Just copy what I do.
Oh, negative feedback? Sure.
So Megan did end up completing the dare that I gave. However, what had happened was, in the middle of Megan trying to complete this dare, one of the staff, or like one of the crew, walked up to us and was like, hey, I'm taking a survey of like good or bad feedback. Do you guys have anything to give us? And this was right after the Dream SMP panel fiasco. So we all turned around and were like, oh boy, do we have feedback. But the dare was completed.
Truth or dare?
Dare.
Oh, we're moving now. You got a heart attack because we're moving. Let's see. I'm running low on ideas, so let's do that. Let's rinse and repeat. You gotta get a high five from somebody not in our group.
Okay. I have to get a high five from me.
Congratulations! I don't have green, but I have all the other ones. I knew the blue was gonna be the most. Filza. Just ran into Filza. I was able to give him the keychain. And then turned around and there's Nikki. And I was able to give Nikki the keychain and letter too. So that's really cool. I got a picture with Filza. I didn't get him to sign anything because he was moving along. So I think I'm still gonna go to his meet and greet tomorrow, because it was between Filza and Nikki and I didn't know which one I was going to do. And I was leaning towards Filza anyways. But now that I've given Nikki her thing, I definitely want to give her Filza. So that's going to be really cool. Okay, so because the Dream SMP panel was a bust, more on that later, I have words.
I did end up talking more about the Dream SMP panel, but I did it on my stream. So if you want my thoughts on the Dream SMP panel, go to my stream, go watch that, because I'm not going to reiterate it here. It's pointless for me to.
Anyways, more on that later. So now we're just walking around like the bottom floor. It's pretty cool. We haven't been down here yet because we were upstairs running around for everything. Actually, my eyes are really crooked, are they? Yeah, one's sideways. So we're just walking around. Ink. Truth or dare?
Dare.
Take a selfie with one of the mannequins, but you have to do it in a really obnoxious, like, phone out selfie kind of way.
I got this.
Where the fuck are we going? You are on a mission. You passed up 3 of them.
We just encroaches.
We're doing this. Meaning,
dismount. Let's go! Woo!
I took off my ears. I'm serious about this.
I'm gonna win.
I love your pants.
So neither me or Ink got injured from the foam pit, which we were really lucky about. But apparently, a streamer got really injured, so that sucks. But I mean, like, me and Ink had fun. Woo. And I totally won. I have like the full video of it taken by Blue, but it's like really grainy, so it's like it's not like all that important to put in. I won though. Ink had me up in the air for like a good half of it. Like I had 1 foot on the little platform for like a majority of it. Ink was just too nice to shove me off the platform, I think. Because I was in boots, I was unbalanced the entire time, and yet I somehow still won. So that was wild.
okay, I don't know how well y'all can hear me because there's music in here and I don't want to shout. But, doing like the last thing for today. You're gonna see the drag showcase. I've been to one other drag performance, and that was in Seattle. That was really fun. So I wanted to come see this because it's not Danny. Let's go see this to see what this is like. And then I will update y'all when I'm headed out of here. And yeah, day 2 and day 3 will probably be a different vlog. Alright guys, that is a wrap on day 1. Just met Purple on the way out. That was cool. And now we're gonna go get some food. Some like good proper food because I'm sure we're all starving. And day 2 will be just as fun, hopefully.
Yeah, and that is a wrap on day 1. Tune in to not the video after this one, but the video after the next video for day 2 and 3. And I will see y'all in the next video. Get it? See? See? Like the ocean? You know, because I'm a pirate? I will see y'all in the next video.